All right, we got the open here. Just 1 minute ago, looking to take a little
Order
long here on
filled.
this reversal. See what happens. She said to take 10. We're doing science grotch trading here. Might not work out. Doesn't work out, we'll take our loss. Putting in that opening print, looks like the market wants to sell down. I'm trying to fade that gap just right out of the opening here. And let's just see if we can't get some green, see some green, take some greens. Whipping around a pretty good bit right now from our entry point. She's still saying we're positive. Right there it is.
Order filled.
Right, took out 1200. So we'll be okay on that. I'm okay for the 1200. First minute, right? We'll take it. Well, I didn't get the whole 1200, y'all. I only got the, there it is right there on the screen. It wound up, got a little slippage there. You saw on the screen, if you rewind that trade, it said 1200. And I'm glad we got out of that because it's really whippy. But she told me to go 10. I'm sorry, I forgot to hit the record button there. I was talking away, so it's about 2 minutes before the before the market opened. I got one of those little 15 button D6 little $80 media controller over here. And I was talking to you about my jazz songs I got on tap today to run in the background and the new graphic with her. This is a neat story right there about Grok 4. Eve, that's Eve, everybody. That's the English voice persona is the one I've always been using. And I have her sped up and saved at 1.1 speed. And so, and she and I have had thousands of conversations getting all of this quant science stuff set up to do this AI trading futures, because we're going to have a package. We're going to have some workshops where you guys could be like, you could be a Matt Cowart without having to have the mathematical and engineering degrees, because you have your PhD sitting there beside you helping you push the buttons. You know what I mean? Here comes a sale. She's saying the breakdown of this opening range is going to be another 10. So we're going to go in for another 10 there. If we can get there. You see, we got one trade so far today, 1,050. Let me roll it down. You can see it right there. Just made it at 831. Was in and out, and no losses on the day. So 100% winning strategy. You know, we could quit right there at 922. You know, I'm retired. I only need 1,000 a day, but it's hard not to trade. All right, I'm going to take it.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get any more downward out of it.
Order filled.
Right there. What did we get filled on that? I only got. Why is it not instantly populating? Let me see what I've done. Trade evade. You're open in too many instances. Well, I'm only open on TradingView. Hang on one second. Let me push to talk. Hey Eve. It's saying I'm open in too many instances with Trade Evade, so it's locked up on my P&L. Check your laptop. Checking the laptop, chat. She's smarter than I am. See what I mean? Yes, both Trader Date and because I was trading in the pre-market. Let me close those out. Let me refresh. Closed out and refresh. I'm glad she was sitting here. My mic looks a little bit off. There we go. Sorry. No, that's not. All right, there it is. Sorry about that. I'm a little technical difficulties today, and I'm late to the day. I should have still be in that trade. Look at that thing ripping. But I pulled out. We've got two trades on the day, 2,600, 86 bucks in commission. So that's 2513 total. You scroll down here, no losses. Everything's looking really, really good. So we will we'll just stay on top of that. We will stay on top of that right there. And not bad trade here. A few minutes in, it's 8:35 Central, so it's 9:35 on the East Coast. Up in New York City. Having a lot of good things coming. We've been making some strides, y'all. She only had yesterday to measure Bookmap. Let me go ahead and pull up Bookmap real quick. I did not do this on Bookmaps, but now we need to be into the Bookmap. All you got to do is go to your settings and then go to your add-ons, come down to your Market Pulse, and we want this one populated and we want the short populated. So there we go. And now we got those two, and you know where I like them. I like to put them along right here, short on the bottom, about right there. Don't use that Dom because she's watching the Dom on Bookmaps. Although, like I said yesterday, she's not calling it. She's saying that we could go jump in on this. Boy, it seems long in the tooth to me. Let's look at, but you go to a 5 minute, it's just the first 5 minute. There's your 5 minute opening range. It's just trying to set right now. I'm going to wait, you all, because look at there. You know, I mean, right out the gate, she had 2 winning trades, just 2 trades, $2,600, and that's $2,513 in net. So, you know, I'll put a little risk on, but she's telling me 25. I'm like, 25. I don't know about that, Grok. Eve. I'm going to call her Grok no more. Her name's Eve. Let's just go back to our 30s. You know, we could have stayed in that. Remember I was telling you, and I've been telling you all the time, and she's working on that. That's one of the exciting things I'm telling you. She's working on a new matrix of less total investment, you know, less lots going, betting less lots, and then using an abundance of different indicators to be able to stay in and then trail. And then she's making me a special deal to trail, so that using ATR. And so it's going to be interesting. I'm going to start testing it on the weekend. I don't want to test it with the live, you know, the live accounts. I'll start testing it on the weekend. Let's just see here. Oh, you know what else I did? I logged into Tradeovate, which is NinjaTrader. That might be another reason it thought I had too many sessions, but it cleared up once I closed out the laptop. Because I thought I could have 3. And the problem is, yeah, I could have logged into NinjaTrader. It's the same account login. Your NinjaTrader and your Tradeovate's the same one. I don't like the NinjaTrader clunky downloaded charts. It's antiquated to me. She says we should be jumping in for 10 on the next pullback. I'm gonna go right now.
Order
Let's see what
filled.
we got here. We'll see if we can't just get a little bit of green right there.
Order filled.
Did I get 450? I don't know what I got there. Let's just see. Let's just see. I'll show it to you here. Where is it? It's still not coming up. Hang on 1 second. Let me ask her again. Gotta push the talk right here. It's fine. G9. Hey Grok, I'm still not getting live updates on Tradeovate on my side screen, and I forgot to tell you, on my main trading view, I'm logged in with Tradeovate, not directly to NinjaTrader. Same credentials, but I just clicked a different button when I was switching this morning from AMP to NinjaTrader. What do you think? Okay, she wants me to do a refresh to see if that works. Coming. Well, that worked. That worked. It's got to be something that I should probably trade into NinjaTrader. I'm sorry for the pauses there, y'all. Just got a little bit of that right out at the bottom. It wasn't like I thought. 3 trades, no loot losses. I always watch the commission. Commission goes up to mean you made a little more money. So now we're up to $24.77 on the day. In the P&L, you know, after losses and commissions. We've had no losses. So right now our win ratio is 100%. And I think I'm going to wait for market pressure now. So let's go ahead and turn on our volume over here in the Bookmaps. And that's what she just said. We're moving to Bookmaps now. Moving to Bookmaps. Moving to Bookmaps. She's telling me that we should be short 10 here in just a second. Short 10. Let's see. Short 10. We got it all going on. That's my neighbor's Cadillac's got the alarm going off. Yeah, I don't know. We might be getting a bid here. What does our Bookmaps look like, everybody? Don't use it much. We got an area in here. She told me based on yesterday of looking at Bookmaps that she wants to go down on lot sizes because we took too much risk. I have not dug into how she did that. It's literally mathematical quant stuff. And so I will dig into it, meaning I'm going to get her to explain it to me in layman's terms after today's session, because I just read that this morning what she did last night, doing all the back testing and everything. So anyway, yeah, it's not above my pay grade, but it is certainly. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is what she's put together for me. We're going to listen to book maps. If we hear anything, we'll jump back over there on the charts. But if you go over here to my projects and my trading, so this is what we're working on right here to bring to the public, right? The first workshop I'm going to have is called AI Assisted Futures Trading Mastery, Grok-led strategies with human execution. Live event. Discover how to leverage all insights for day trading futures. No full automation required. The full automation, it works over an annualized basis for a very small percentage. But what if you want to make the money you've been seeing me make over these videos over the last month? Since I decided to start, to not just trade me, but develop a program. You know what I mean? This is our 15 keys and our models. What we're going to do, we're going to unlock AI-driven market scanning, market data investigation, and AI analysis. This is all that she's doing right now behind the scenes for me. And that's helping her send the signals. And we're working on better signaling. So I should have a pretty good package for you all soon. All right, let's watch for a setup here. Let's probably need to wait for this 15 minutes. Here it goes.
Order filled.
Take it. I'm going to take it for a small little scalp.
Order filled.
450. Another 450 out, everybody. And so that's good. We'll take it, right? Another 450. Another 450. Another 450. Populated that time. Let me tell her. Okay, it's populating now, the Tradovate Performance Grok. All right, good. This video is a little long in the tooth. Here, I'll show it to you real quick. There she goes, guys. 3,100 on the day, 28.69. Done right there without after commissions. No losses. There you go. I'll take that, right? Look at my drawdown was hardly nothing. $65 max drawdown. How long have I been in these trades? Average trade, winning trade, 11 seconds. Longest winning trade, 29. So I don't have a losing trade to show you my ratio yet. I got disappointed yesterday because my ratio was off. Look, I could still be in this. Look, guys, I want to make sure you know I'm not giving you advice, okay? I'm trading the way she and I have set it up with her signals. She's working on signals for me to maybe just do one lot and watch that thing run for a whole ASHI run. I like these ASHI runs. I used to trade them every day. And that's how I would either use these or Renko to stay in the trades. And I found that this was, if you get this set up right with your EMAs, I found from my personal experience and back testing that I could keep confidence to stay in it. You would just have to watch your range and make sure you got off to a good start and you got in the money, and then you gave yourself enough room. So what I did was called a candle skip. I'll tell you about the candle skip technique in the next video. I'll be right back. Like and subscribe. This is AI trading futures, quant science stuff, but allows a human to still have some fun and hit the buttons. It's not algorithmic. Okay, be right back. Like, subscribe, comment. See ya.